సో మనతో పాటు బాలీవుడ్ సూపర్ స్టార్ అక్షయ్ కుమార్ అండ్ హీరోయిన్గా యాక్ట్ చేసిన భూమి ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ అక్షయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? How are you, Bhumi?
Very well.
And first of all, let me congratulate to take up this issue as a movie in an entertaining way.
Well, thank you very much but must tell people about this issue that 54% of India doesn't have toilets, and they don't. There are some people who cannot afford it. That's sad. Yeah, but government is doing quite a lot about this, and but there are some people who doesn't have the mindset. Now that is the bad part. That is the saddest part, that let me say, that they don't have the mindset to make toilets, because they believe that you cannot have toilets where you have food and where you
Have internet.
they have internet and all, but they don't have toilet. That is one of the most saddest part. Yeah.
So how do you feel about the movie, acting in this movie?
Well, I feel extremely lucky and extremely proud that I got to be a part of a film like Toiletic Prem Katha. It's an extremely entertaining love story. You know, it's very moving. You'll be overwhelmed by the emotion of love, but at the same time, you're gonna leave the theater with a sense of wanting change, with a sense of, you know, a society to change. It's going to leave you with a very important message. So I'm glad that I could be a part of this film.
But in a very commercial way, because
Entertaining.
because this is a 2.5 hours the only comedy in this film. So the comedy is it's a satire. It goes comic, and we whatever little bit about how slightly and subtly we want to say the message, it comes.
So I've seen the trailer. It's you know, hilarious. So how difficult it is to mix both the parts, entertaining and social issue?
Well, see, the best part about anything which is serious also, you have to try and remove some comedy aspect out of it and just put it in front of people. Like I always say, even with my son also, if I want to explain him something, I always make it in a very entertaining and funny way. I cannot be serious with him and talk to him seriously. I bring him out very nicely, entertaining way, and I make him understand it. They understand it much better, and they feel good also about it.
So PM himself, he tweeted about the movie, about the trailer. So what's your feeling about it?
Well, it's great that I'm very thankful to him that he gave few minutes and I could just go and meet him. That was very nice of him to give it, and will always remain grateful for it. But this is a very dear subject to him, because I still remember when he came to the office, when he 3 years back, when he was in the office, he started this whole Swachh Bharat and cleanliness and to clean India. So this is just a small little contribution to what big thing he is doing.
So you're coming into South Indian film industry by 2.0.
Yeah.
How's it feeling, and how's working with Shankar sir and Rajni sir?
Oh well, it's a great feeling to work with them, and as I always say, that he's not a director, Shankar sir. He's a genius and a scientist, and with Rajni sir, it's been an honor working with him, and I'm myself waiting to watch the film. I've done the film, but I've not seen anything yet. So I'm going to be doing now dubbing also very soon. So I'm waiting to watch the film, but it was an honor being with him in the same frame. It's the first time I've acted with him.
You're doing an antagonist role in this.
Yes,
2.0.
I'm playing a villain's role. Yeah.
So how is it feeling? I mean, with
Well, it was a great thing that it's actually, I cannot much speak about the role. I'm itching to talk about it, but I cannot talk about it. But because my contract gets cancelled, and I'll be out of the film, so I'd rather keep my mouth shut.
So you have a huge fan following in South Indian, especially in Hyderabad. Can we expect a direct bilingual or multilingual movie from you after 2.0?
Well, somebody has to give me the role. I'm ready for it. I was offered to do this Tamil film, and now I'm hoping someday I'll get a movie in Telugu also. I am all set to do anything.
So this is not the first time to take up a social issue. Oh my God, we have seen Oh my God, and now it is toilet. So can we expect Akshay Kumar into direct politics, or?
Politics?
Yep.
No, that's not me.
So you're very active in social issues. You help farmers, and you take up like social issues like this. So
So what's the question, right?
no, we are expecting. No, Can we expect so to directly into the politics, Akshay
No,
Kumar?
no. People who do this doesn't have to get into politics. So I'm not one of those people who are doing it to
The
enter
rumors-
into politics. No, not at all. I'm very much into filmmaking, and I love filmmaking. It is my desire to be working in this industry till they have to shoot me.
Bhumi, finally, what do you say about the movie? What are the highlights of the movie?
Well, the highlight of the film is the love story and the social message that we have along with the love story. It's not preachy at all. It is supremely fun, and we had great time shooting it. And I think that energy sort of transformed into the movie, and I can't wait for people to watch it.
All right. Thank you very much, Akshay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Bhumi, and
Thank
wish you all the best.
Thank
you. Thank you. సో అది అక్షయ్ కుమార్ చెప్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో మూవీ ఒక సోషల్ ఇష్యూ అయినప్పటికీ కూడా దాన్ని ఒక కామెడీ వేలో ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా ముఖ్యం. ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రజలు ఆదరిస్తారని కోరుకుంటున్నట్లుగా తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో అండ్ ఒక ఛాన్స్ వస్తే మాత్రం డైరెక్ట్గా సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి, ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి, తెలుగు ఆర్ తమిళ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఖచ్చితంగా చేస్తారని కూడా చెప్తూ ఉన్నారు.